In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not receiving the Telegram verification code. If you're stuck at the login screen waiting for a code that never shows up, this walkthrough will help you get back in quickly and safely. Start by confirming the phone number you entered, make sure the correct country code is selected, and type your number as digits only, with no spaces, dashes, or special characters. Even a small formatting mistake can block the delivery of the code, so take a moment to double check before requesting it again. Next, test your network connection. A weak or unstable connection can delay or prevent messages from arriving. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see which is more stable, and if needed, reboot your phone. Power it off completely for 10 to 15 seconds, turn it back on, and then request the Telegram code again. That fresh restart often clears temporary network glitches. If you still don't see the code, check your message filtering settings. Open your messaging app's settings, go to the section for unknown and spam, and turn off the option to filter unknown senders. Some devices silently sort verification texts into a separate folder. After disabling the filter, request the code again so it lands in your main inbox. If the problem persists, reinstall or update the Telegram app. Uninstall it, then download a fresh copy from your app store. While you're there, check for updates for both Telegram and your device's operating system. Running the latest versions can resolve compatibility issues that interfere with verification. Also, check your other logged in devices. If you're signed into Telegram elsewhere, that device may have received the verification code or a notification. Take a quick look before trying again. If Telegram access is restricted in your region, use a reliable VPN or proxy to establish an encrypted connection. Choose a stable server and follow local laws and Telegram's terms of service while doing so. For those managing multiple accounts, improve security and isolation by using separate proxies and dedicated environments. Tools such as AdsPower for the web version or Duo Plus for the mobile version can help keep sessions distinct. Configure them responsibly and in line with platform policies. And if none of these solutions work, contact Telegram support. Submit a request through the official support form and describe the issue clearly, including your country code, device type, and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Never share passwords or one-time codes with anyone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.